Hey everyone, this is Smruti. Welcome to Q Automation classes. And today is the last session for this GATE interview playlist. And today we'll be going over the few general questions that are most frequently asked in the interview. The first one is Git fetch versus Git pull. Okay, let me get the paint. Okay, so let's say. So the first question is what is Git fetch? Okay, so let's say Git fetch versus pull. Okay, so we already know, right? The fetch will fetches all the commits from the remote branch, and it will store them into a new local branch, but you cannot see the code changes in the current branch. You have to first merge it. But when you do a git pull, it fetches the changes and then it does the git merge, and then you are able to see the code changes directly. Okay, so that is git fetch versus git pull. Okay, and we have already seen the git status, right? So git status will show you the what is there in the your working copy, as well as what is the difference between your working copy as well as the your staging area, right? Something you have created, some file you have added, right? But you have not added to the not added to the staging area. So when you say git status, it will say, okay, this is an untracked file, right? Or you change some file content and you have not added to the staging area. So in that time you will see, okay, the content has been changed, right? So changed file will say like that. So that is the git status. Okay, so now the next question, like how to find the list of the branches merged or not merged to the current branch. Okay, so there is a command. Okay, so if you go to the yeah, here, let's say, so git branch, okay, hyphen hyphen no hyphen merged. Okay, so if you do this one, it will say, okay, we have a branch called bugfix123 that is not merged to the your master branch. Okay, so I'm in the current branch now, right? So in current branch master, this bugfix branch is not merged. Okay, so if you want to see only merged, you can say hyphen hyphen like no option you can remove. Okay, so git branch hyphen hyphen merged. Okay, so you have to remove this one. Okay, what is it? You have to remove no. Okay, hyphen merged. Okay, so it will show. Okay, we have not merged anything, so it is not showing anything. That's fine. And what exactly is a cherry pick? Okay, so cherry pick, yeah, I have already covered in the git IntelliJ session. So just to say the concept of the cherry pick, the cherry pick is to get a specific commit from another branch to your current branch. Okay, that is cherry pick. And how to remove a file from the git staging area or index without removing from the local file system, right? So we can use the git reset there. Okay, so git reset file name, git reset file name, it will delete the file, it will remove the file from the staging area or the index area without removing it from your local file system. Okay, okay, and how to remove a file from the local file system. Okay, so for that one we have the rm file name, right? You might have seen, I have not deleted it. You can use the rm file name. Okay, so git rm file name, this is the command to remove the particular file from the local. Okay, so what is the functionality of the git clean command? Okay, so git clean command will remove all the untracked file from the working directory. Whatever the files are untracked, they will get deleted, right? And what is the git status? I have already completed that one. So it will show the current status of the working directory and the staging area. Then how to revert, right? So if you want to undo changes to a repository's commit history, so in that case you can use git, okay, git revert. Okay, so git revert, and you can give the commit id. Okay, if you say git revert commit id, then it will revert that earlier commit. Okay, and git log we have already seen. If you want to see the history of the git commits, you can see git log, right? And git reset file, it is used to unstage a file. Okay, if you say git reset file, I think we had already discussed git reset file name, right? It is to unstage a file. Okay, it will yeah, it will delete, okay, from the staging area. And there is one more question is that what is the git pull origin master? Okay, this is one of the important question. So git pull origin master. Okay, so what exactly is this one? So now this means so git pull. Okay, so we are getting the changes right from the remote, right? Git pull origin. Origin means it represents your remote branch, right? Or the upstream what have been configured. So we are pulling from their origin, and that is a master branch, right? It fetches the commit from the master branch of the origin remote into the local original master. And since it is a pull command, it will then merge the changes to the current branch we have checked out, right? And we can see all those changes getting reflected in the current branch. So git pull only works if the branch you have checked out is tracking an upstream branch. Okay, so these are all the question and answers we have for this session, and with this we are concluding the entire git question answer sessions.